Okay, objective 2.02. Students will be able to use segment addition to solve for lengths. So we'll start with the segment addition postulate. Postulate is a word that means kind of argument or theory. If 3 points A, B, and C are collinear, meaning they share a line, they are on the same line, and B is between A and C, so B could be here, could be here, but it's somewhere between A and C, then AB plus BC equals AC. Now, if that's true, we can also solve for our other smaller segments. So we could solve for BC, isolate it by subtracting AB from both sides. So we could say BC equals AC minus AB. That's subtracting AB from both sides. And we can also say that AB equals AC minus BC. This is essentially saying big minus small. Big minus small equals AB. Okay, cool. Now we have this explore task. Determine the length of MK if this first segment NM is x minus 6, the next segment ML is 9, the last segment LK is 2x minus 19. Now it's asking us for MK, so it's asking us for just this amount highlighted here. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. The first thing we need to do is solve and figure out what x is. And then we're going to substitute x into an expression for mk. So here we have mk equals, and mk is going to be 9 plus 2x minus 19. But we first have to figure out what x is going to be. So we know that the first one plus the second one plus the last one equals the whole thing. So we can set that up. X minus 6 plus 9 plus 2x minus 19 equals 23. Now combine like terms. So we have x plus 2x is 3x. And we have minus 6 plus 9 is plus 3. Then plus 3 minus 19 is minus 16. Now we use inverse operations, and we add 16 to both sides. So we say 23 plus 16 equals 39, and that equals the 3x that's still there. Divide both sides by 3, and x equals 13. Now that you know that x is 13, you can figure out what mk is by substituting x into your equation for mk, and that's here. So we have 9 plus 2 times 13, so that's 9 plus 26. 9 plus 26 is 35, and then 35 minus 19 equals 16 units. Now it asks us the question, which segment is longer, NM or LK? So NM is x minus 6, that's here. Need to move up the paper. NM is x minus 6, and bring in x equals 16. 16 minus 6 is 10. NM is 10. Now LK. LK is 2x minus 19. Bring in 13. And we have 2 times 13 is 26 minus 19 is 7. So LK was 7, NM is 10, and 10 is greater than 7, so NM is longer than LK. And that's it. Great job, Smarty Pants.